realize that Superman is also able to do audio visual.
Having our annual all-school Halloween parade. It's a long-standing tradition at Washington where we get to show off our costumes. So we're really excited. The grand finale will be our staff costume, and the kids every year are trying to guess what we're going to be. So we're excited to reveal that. So thanks for coming.
People, loved ones or pets that have passed away, and we've added photos over the years, so even if students have left Monroe, we still put up their memories of their family and friends and pets so that it's a continuation and they are always celebrated.
Happy Halloween!